pick up and drop zone, drop point. Wow, looks so busy down there. It's good.
Welcome to Bali!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Kuta Bali around Beachwalk Mall. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali around Beachwalk Mall on Pantai Kuta Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And over here today start from actually now we are exactly at Beachwalk Mall. Let me show you around here. Yeah, Kuta Beach down there. That is the mall, exactly at the front, Kuta Beach. See that? A lot of tourists down there. Quite busy, that is good. You see? Really busy, that's good. And this is Beachwalk Mall, the main gate to go to Beachwalk Mall. Yeah, this video, I make video on 12 p.m. So let's see how busy in this area today. I will walking until Poppy Slant to Street. Like the main gate to go to. Oh no, sorry, no, not the main gate. I mean until at the junction on Poppy Slant too. Also on the right side, lots of trees down there. It's good, isn't it? It's quite busy down there. And left side, wow, lots of trees at the restaurant, at the cafe down there. That's good. Okay guys, you should just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Kuta Bali on Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new fashion in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Wow, a few trees down there, that's good. Quite busy, isn't it? And this is the pick-up zone for transport. Pick up and drop zone, drop point. Well, quite busy down there. That's good. No, really busy. Ooh, the wind quite strong today. And yeah, now we are exactly at the junction at Poppy's Land 2. This is Poppy's Land 2 down there. Wow, looks so busy down there. It's good. Let me keep walking in this area.
You know what it means, Teddy, to bring your
Wow, quite busy, isn't it? Yeah. That was Poppy's Line 2. Now I will make video until the junction on Poppy's Line 1. Not really busy. What's happening here? Well, a few trees in the restaurant. Yeah, I hope this video will give you an information about the update session at the moment in Kuta Bali on Pantai Kuta Street, exactly at the front Kuta Beach. This is Kuta Sea View. Very legend hotel, very old but very nice down there. And the next is Flapjack. You can have ice cream here. See? Wow, Fitri down there. It's quite busy. That's good. Same, right side. Wow, no bad. Actually, now it's peak season for Bali, but it's just not really busy as 3 years ago. Last year or so, quite like this actually, around August, yeah. I hope this video also bring you back memories when you are ever been walk around in this area, or maybe you ever been stay in this area also, because along Pantai Kuta Street there is big hotel. This is Poppy's Land 1. Fitri down there, that's good. Not really busy. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Kuta Bali on Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news especially in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Busy soon, busy soon. Don't worry, busy soon. This is the Kuta Beach Heritage. Fitri down there actually. See? And this is Starbucks. Magraima. Davido. Woohoo. Hello, how are you?